Viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to use CoinMarketCap and also earn from it. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I want to show you how to use CoinMarketCap. There are a lot of opportunities on CoinMarketCap. It's a listing platform where you can find a list of cryptocurrency projects. Over 10,000 cryptocurrency projects are listed on CoinMarketCap. So you could use it for research and all of that. But basically today, I'll just be showing you how to earn the CoinMarketCap Diamonds on a daily basis, and how you can use this to redeem airdrops, and also show you the airdrops page and how you can actually make money from this platform. All right, so let's get right into it. So if you don't have the app on your phone, the first thing you do is to go to Play Store to download the CoinMarketCap application. So we're heading over to Play Store right now. So you just type in CoinMarketCap. All right, you can see it's brought it out already in the search bar. So you just click on CoinMarketCap app and then you have it right here. It's right installed on my screen because I already have it installed on this device. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is what you get when you open the interface. You either log into an existing account or you create a new account. In this case, I already have an existing account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. All right, just going to go ahead and log in. Okay, and I'm going to log in with my Google account. All right, I'm going to log in with my Google account. So when you're signing up, you could also sign up with your Google account. All right, you can sign up with your Google account or any other email account, maybe Hotmail or Yahoo Mail. All right, so they said one last thing before we begin, let's know your preference. So if you want to set it to dark mode, you can, and if you want to set it to light mode, you can just toggle the button right in front of it. Let me toggle it. So here we have the light mode. I believe the light mode will make the video more interesting for you, so I'm just going to leave it in the light mode. So let's get right into it. All right, so here is the CoinMarketCap platform. All right, so we have a list of coins. Right here. Okay, there are a number of coins on this platform, over 10,000 coins on this platform that you can actually research. Now if you log in daily, there is a reward for logging in daily that they give to their users, and that is what they call the CoinMarketCap Diamonds. If you look at the upper part of the screen to the right, you see three icons. All right, you see the shape of a diamond, you see the shape of a search button, and then you see an avatar. All right, so we're just going to click on the diamond so that it could take us to the diamond page. So let's click on diamond. All right, so I just clicked on diamond right now, and I'm going to wait for it to load. All right, so here we have it. You can see collect your diamonds every day. Log in 7 days in a row, your rewards will grow. So all you just need to do is to collect diamond, and if you are using the app version, you get additional 10 diamond if you're using the app version, because they're trying to promote their application and they want to get more users to use their application. They actually have a web version, but they want people to migrate to their app, so they are giving an additional 10 diamond bonus to people that use their app. So instead of getting 10, I'm going to be getting 20 since I'm using their app. So you just click on collect diamond, and that's it. It says, yeah, you've collected 10 daily diamonds and 10 bonus diamond for using the app. Come back tomorrow for more. So you're just gonna click OK. So the significance of this airdrop is that oftentimes they run airdrops and some other campaigns, giveaways and all of that, and it is these diamonds that you can use to redeem those rewards. Okay, if you look at the top left corner of this page, you will see my diamonds, and then you see diamond rewards. All right, let's go ahead and click on diamond rewards, and then you understand what I am actually talking about. So I'm clicking on diamond rewards now. So now that I've clicked on diamond rewards, you can see that these are rewards you can get with your diamond. All right, so we have 500 diamonds here. We have 200 diamonds to get this particular stuff. We have 300 diamonds to get this. So you can get all of this. You can actually spend your diamond like you are spending money to purchase things and to also get airdrops and all of that on their rewards page. Okay, so these are these are the ways that you can swap your diamonds for rewards. So always check up on this. All right, so I'm also going to be showing you their airdrop page. Okay, there is an airdrop page on the platform. So we're just going to go back, then you're going to click on the avatar. Okay, it looks like a dog. So just after clicking on the avatar, you can see some of the menus displayed here. We have price alert, we have converter, we have diamonds, we have free airdrops. So you're just going to click on free airdrops. All right, we're going to wait for it to load. Okay, in this airdrop page, they do post airdrops from time to time, and if there are no airdrops, they will just write there current airdrop 0, upcoming airdrop 0. You can see these are previous airdrops that they've done. Okay, these are previous airdrops they've done. This particular airdrop, Aperture Finance, that was our latest airdrop, and it ended June 12th. Okay, that was just that was on Wednesday. Okay, so if you happen to see any of these airdrops on their airdrop page, you can just join and follow the instructions, and then you'll be able to participate in the airdrop and also get it to your crypto wallet at the end of the campaign if you happen to be selected as a winner. All right, also there is a host of other stuffs you can actually do on this platform. All right, you can also create a watch list on this platform. Maybe you have a series of coins you are watching out for in the market, and you really do want to keep an eye on them. You can add them to your watch list. You can see over here we have coins, we have watch list, we have overview, we have NFT, we have exchanges. So you can just click on watch list and then add coins to it. You can see I have a number of them on my own watch list right here. You can just click on the plus sign right here. All right, click on the plus sign, and then you can add any coin you want to add to your watch list. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add WikiCat to my watch list. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and add WikiCat. You can see that WikiCat. I'm just going to go ahead and add it. Selected 30 coins. I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my watch list, and then that's it. It's already part of my watch list. You can see it right here. WikiCat is already part of my watch list. So that will be all for today's video. I hope the video was helpful, and if you have any questions, you can do well to drop it in the comment section below. I'd like you to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell for more educative contents. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.